Welcome to this light and bright three-bedroom pool home tucked away on a quiet cul-de-sac with over 2,000 square feet of comfortable Florida living. The open floor plan, fresh neutral paint, waterproof laminate and tile flooring throughout, and abundant natural light make the home feel clean, inviting, and move-in ready. The kitchen features wood cabinetry and Corian countertops. The spacious primary suite is a relaxing retreat with a jetted tub, separate shower, dual sinks, and walk-in closet. The split bedroom layout with pocket door into the guest suite offers added privacy for guests or family. Step outside and enjoy Florida living at its best with a solar-heated pool, outdoor shower, southeast rear exposure, and a fully fenced backyard for children, pets, and outdoor gatherings. Additional highlights include a two-car garage, well for irrigation, roof replaced in 2012, and smart home HVAC installed in 2019.